What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. And this one right here is gonna be for this bad boy right here. We got a beautiful Bluetooth speaker, comes in different colors, blues right here like this one. I personally got the black and red one. I'm gonna show you that, of course, in just a second. This is by the company Anonsuo right there. And just like all my unboxing videos and review videos, you can check it out in the description box below if you're interested after the video. Click on it, see how much it is, read some more reviews about it, see what you got right there. Anyway, in the description box below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into it. Again, Bluetooth speaker. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, right off the bat, we have beautiful packaging right there, kind of like if you got an iPad type of a thing. Let's go ahead and open this guy on up and take a little look-saroonie. Again, we got the red and black one. Comes in different colors. All the colors will be in the description box below. How to connect it if you've never connected a Bluetooth device before. We also have, of course, our micro USB charging cable. We have an AUX cable, and we have the speaker, of course. Let's go ahead and bring it on out and take it for a little run for its money here. We also have what looks to be a stand right here. So you go ahead and mount the stand, or mount the speaker on the stand, I should say. And let's go ahead and unwrap this bad boy and take a little look-see at it. Hey, how about that? Has a little hook right over here. You literally can hook that to a tree if you're camping. We have a mesh right on the top there, logo, again, the size of my hand, I guess you can say here, and the speaker, so it's not too big, definitely convenient. We have our charging port right here. We have our play and pause button here. We have power on button, and then we have our volume up and what looks to be, I think pause, and this one is actually volume down right here. And then of course our AUX port right there if you wanted to listen via headphones before bed instead of blasting it so your folks or your whole household will hear it. So anyway, this is actually a little bit hard to tell on camera, but you can see that that's actually kind of a brown, like almost like leather type of material, but I don't think that's leather. And then we have kind of a chocolate black on the back with red up front. And again, they do come in different colors like I showed you on the front of the box, the blue one there. Anywho, let's go ahead and power it up here. We're gonna hold down the center button. We have a little blue LED indicator light right there. Let me grab my iPhone. Let me go ahead and stick it in its slot like this. Again, you can hang it from a tree, whatever you want to do. Let me grab my iPhone, be right back. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, and we're gonna go into settings and go ahead and connect that to the speaker here. So we have the S7 right there. Let's go ahead and connect that. As we can see there, we are connected now. We heard a little bit of a beep there. It says connected in my Bluetooth settings. Now let's fire up some Pandora music. I can't play too much, obviously, for copyright reasons, but we will play something with some lyrics and something with a little bit of a beat to check out the different dynamics.
Oh, Spirit of the living God, and make it truly thine.
All right, guys, very nice, very cool. Let's go ahead and check out something with a little bit of a beat to it. See how that sounds here. What's super cool is obviously you can watch YouTube videos playing the music out of this and not this. Oh, let's go ahead and skip this advertisement. Hold on one second.
Call these bones to breathe, call these lungs to see once again.
So very cool, guys. Definitely an awesome speaker. If you guys want to take it down to the pool, take it out to the balcony, take it down to the beach, wherever you want to go. Very small and portable. This is an older iPhone 5, so you can kind of see the difference in size. Again, this speaker is not too big. Comes with a cool little stand. You can put it next to your nightstand or whatever you want to do. Again, in the description box below is going to be the speaker. You can read more about it. Pick one up yourself. Until the next review, guys, my name is Chris. Make sure you smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe somewhere around here because I got a lot more videos in the books for you as well. We'll see you guys in the next one. My name's Chris. Bye-bye.